Please like, share and subscribe us for more videos.
Hello viewers, welcome to SBLEO channel. Today in this video you will find a beautiful collection of different tops. You see these tops are very popular among the ladies of the world. Everywhere ladies love to wear, and different designs are shown in this video, and these are only for yourself. If you love stitching, then you can easily pick any of the design out of this collection, and you can stitch easily. But if not, then no problem. You can order any of your tailor, and then you have a beautiful top for yourself in your hand. You see, different fabric is used for styling and designing of such kind of tops which are displayed in this video. Some of the tops which are smartly designed and the fabric is used, that is chiffon, and some polka dot style tops you will also see in this collection, and then floral type of tops are also shown. And if you want to purchase these tops, very beautiful tops which are designed for yourself online, then Pop Julia is one of the site from where you can easily purchase online. 25% off discount is also available, and different prices are shown in the site also, that is starting from $15 to $26 or $30. If you like this collection, please thumbs up for this video, and subscribe my channel SBLEO for more updates. Till the next video, take care of yourself. Goodbye.